Fresh water.
May gagawa ko eh.
Ano baka yung mga base, baka makapasag yan.
He has promised. Anong promise niya sa'yo? Heaven. He's guiding you there.
Yung mga base, baka mabasag
Even if I go through the deepest darkness, I will not be afraid, Lord, for you are with me. Your shepherd's rod and staff protect me. You prepare a banquet for me where all my enemies can see me. You welcome me as an honored guest. Special ka, ma'am, sa kanya, and fill my cup to the brim. I know that your goodness and love will be with me all my life. The goodness and love of Jesus. And your house will be my home as long as I live. How beautiful, ma'am, no? Promise niya na ang house niya will be your home forever. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Pag ang Lord shepherd natin, wala na tayong hihinging iba. Shepherd siya, taga-alaga siya ng mga sheep niya. Sheep tayo, ma eh. Nalagaan niya tayo. The Lord, si Jesus, shepherd. Shepherd niya. Siya ang nag-guide sa buhay natin. Sa life natin. Diba? Even though I walk in the darkness, sabi gano'n, I will not fear any evil, for you are with me. God is with me. Jesus. Tama? Go, ano yan? Go. Are you ready to see the Lord, ma'am? Ready ka na? Sa Lord.
Hi, Granny.
Smile, ma. Smile. Good. Ma, smile.
Come here.
Yan. Nag-smile si mami. Ang ganda ni mami. Smile.
Gawa ka na ng bagong interview mo kasi wala na yun. Yung mga ibang ano ko. Hindi na makakuha siguro yun. Ito na.
Ayan.
Tanungin mo na yung mga dapat mong tanungin.
Ma'am, do you love the Lord? Who is your Lord and Savior? Who is your Lord and Savior?